It will heal. It will get better. This too shall pass. So it's important to be mindful that failure is a toll that you must pay in order to get to the other side of town called success. So don't let the fear of failure, don't let your fear of failure be greater than your desire for freedom. It's time to turn your failures into fortune. And finally, don't be afraid to fail. Instead, be afraid not to try. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is your partner in success. So I encourage you, fail fast, fail often, but for heaven's sake, fail forward.